Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, students, today we are going to study about recon text. What is recon text? Apa sih recon text itu? Recon text is a text that retells a story, an experience, or event that happened in the past. Jadi, recon text adalah teks yang menceritakan kembali kejadian atau peristiwa di masa lampau. Recon text is divided into three. The first is biography, the second is historical recon, and the third is experience. Recon text itu dibagi menjadi tiga. Yang pertama, biografi, yaitu menceritakan seorang tokoh atau pahlawan. Yang kedua, historical recon, yaitu menceritakan sejarah di masa lampau. Nah, yang ketiga, experience, menceritakan pengalaman seseorang, seperti pengalaman kamu berlibur. The function of recon text. The first is to tell experience in which the writer was personally involved. The second is to inform the readers by telling the past events historically and achievement in person's life. The third is to chronicle past events regarded as historically significant. Jadi, fungsi dari teks recon itu yang pertama untuk menceritakan pengalaman yang dialami si penulis. Nah, yang kedua untuk menceritakan kepada pembaca tentang kejadian masa lampau, tentang peristiwa penting di masa lalu, dan menceritakan pencapaian seseorang. Ketiga, untuk mengurutkan kejadian di masa lampau. Structure of recon text. The first is orientation. Tell who is involved in the story, where, when, and why the story happened. Jadi, orientasi ini menceritakan siapa yang ada dalam cerita, kapan, di mana, dan mengapa cerita itu terjadi. The second is series of events. Tell what happened in the story. Jadi, struktur yang kedua itu series of event, di mana menceritakan serangkaian cerita yang terjadi dalam cerita. The third is reorientation. Nah, yang ketiga itu reorientation. Tell the conclusion of the story. Menceritakan atau menyimpulkan cerita. With picture of recon text. Unsur kebahasaan teks recon. Introducing personal. Participants such as I, my, group, etc. Using chronological. Connection then, first, etc. Using linking verb such as was and were. Using action verb such as send, talk, etc. Using simple past tense such as forgot, imagine, etc. The example of recon text. Contoh dari teks recon. Last Wednesday was a tiring day. I spent my time to do a lot of activities that I had no time to take a rest. It is an orientation. Nah, bagian pertama ini menceritakan siapa yang ada dalam cerita dan kapan cerita itu terjadi. Ini dinamakan orientasi atau orientation. First, in the morning, I went skiing. After that, I went to school to study until 3 p.m. After school, I went to sport hall to play badminton until 8 p.m. I played too seriously that I felt really tired. After that, I went home. But when I wanted to sleep, I remember there was some homeworks I had to do. I did my homeworks until 11 p.m. And finally, I could take a rest in my bed. Nah, bagian ini dinamakan event karena di bagian ini ada beberapa peristiwa atau serangkaian peristiwa terjadi dialami oleh orang yang ada dalam cerita. Those activities made me exhausted. Nah, bagian ini dinamakan reorientation karena menyimpulkan cerita. Oke, student, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.